Myth. Ancient Mesopotamia was just chaotic city-states squabbling in the mud. Fact. For a brief, brilliant century, the Third Dynasty of Ur ran a shockingly organized super-state. Ur-Nammu takes power and standardizes weights, he fixes taxes, he starts building big. You've heard of Hammurabi's laws? Myth. He was first. Fact. The Code of Ur-Nammu predates him by centuries, laying out fines and justice in writing. State with spreadsheets, on clay. Scribes tracked grain, scribes tracked sheep, scribes tracked workers, scribes tracked beer rations. Messengers ran a royal road network. The administration spoke Sumerian, hymns to Shulgi, math tables. Ziggurats were like Egyptian pyramids. Fact, and they were platforms for God's houses, anchoring cities to the divine. Mites struck from the east. By 2004 BCE, Ur fell. Ibisin was captured. The records, those meticulous clay receipts, just stop. Bureaucracy that lets a state think. Law codes that promise predictability. Monumental architecture that says, we're here to stay. Myth. The ancient world was static. Fact. It experimented. Ur-3 was a prototype of the managed state, ambitious. Ur-3 was efficient. Ur-3 was fragile. So next time you see a humble clay tablet, remember, it's not a relic. It's a line of code from one of humanity's first operating systems. And for a while, it ran the world between two rivers.